Hey there, welcome. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Violet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these beautiful high-end home decor pieces. Now, I decided to go ahead and make a set of 3 orbs for the bottom of my coffee table. And here's a picture of how they look on my coffee table. What we're going to need are 3 balloons. Now you can get any size balloons depending on where you want to place them or the style you're going for. I just got 3 regular size balloons, just blew them up in 3 different sizes. Now this one that I'm trying to blow up as best I can right now, I'm going to use, it's going to be the biggest one of my sets. Now, all I did was basically blow it up as big as I could. Then if you see, I'm working with it right now, kind of pushing on it to make it more of that circle shape. And now I just blew up the other 2 balloons, making them the same way, just different sizes, and kind of working with them to make them as round as possible. Next, I got some oil, and I'm just using some oil that I had, some vitamin E oil. Actually, I purchased that as Dollar Tree as well. But I'm just rubbing some oil around your balloon just to make sure that it's nice and covered so your rope or jute twine won't get stuck onto your balloon and it won't be so hard for you to pull it off once it's all nice and dry. Next, you're going to go ahead and get some jute twine or any kind of rope you want to use. And then, as you can see, I poured some Modge podge inside a glass bowl. Now you can, and I've seen people dilute the Modge podge. I decided not to. I wanted it to be as hard as possible, but making sure that I do leave a kind of at least one larger opening when I wrap around the jute twine around my balloon in order for me to insert any kind of decor that I'm going to be placing into these orbs. So once you've covered some of your jute twine, go ahead and pull it out and just tie it around the top of your balloon where you actually tied your balloon. So just tie a knot, hold it with one hand, and then you can just start wrapping that jute twine all around your balloon. Now just continue wrapping it around as much as you like, any way you want. I kind of wanted to go for more of that organic look, so I just basically went with it, and wherever the rope wanted to land is where I placed it. Throughout this, when I was wrapping the jute twine around my balloon, if I saw or felt that that rope was too dry, you can see I have a paintbrush right beside my Modge Podge, and I would just grab my paintbrush and brush on some Modge Podge wherever I felt that that jute twine was a little too dry. So just go ahead and do that and just continue wrapping your jute twine around your balloon, again, as many times as you want, however style you want. Like I said, I just wanted more of an organic look, but I didn't want to make sure that I didn't cover it up as completely or too tightly. I wanted at least one large opening so I can insert whatever I want to insert into these orbs, and also so you can see through the orb to see what decoration I'm putting inside. Like I said, I wanted to make these for my the bottom part of my coffee table. I've loved this coffee table, but I've really only placed like trays and sometimes books on the bottom of this coffee table, but I wanted something that I could put it down there that I could use all year round, that I don't have to worry about moving and storing it. But I wanted it to be able to fit in any style or any holiday. So I thought these were perfect because for Easter, I can put Easter eggs or grass. For Christmas, I can put Christmas ornaments, all those extra ornaments that I have lying around or that I'm not going to use. I can just easily insert them into these orbs. So I think these are perfect for that type of style if you want to place them somewhere where you can leave them all year round and just redecorate them and use them for every holiday. So that's why I thought these were perfect. For some reason, I've never made these jute twine orbs before. Really, I just never thought about where I could place them until now. And I'm super excited that I did make them. I absolutely love them. And my wheels are just turning, thinking of all the different ways and where I can use these kind of shapes now and what I can do with them. So super excited. Once you're done wrapping all the jute twine around all your ropes, and you allow them to dry at least overnight. I allowed mine to dry for a few days, but I would say recommend at least 24 hours. So once you allow them to dry and they're nice and firm, go ahead and just poke a hole in your balloon. I just used some scissors and kind of just allowed it to the air to come out on its own. And you can see it basically just comes off and pulls all away from the jute twine. So I'm just kind of helping it, pushing it with my finger. Once I see that it's all completely detached from my jute twine, all I did was, again, just cut that little knot where we tied the balloon and pulled out the rest of the balloon remains. Super easy. And now, of course, you can leave them the natural color if you want more of the organic, natural look, plus the natural jute twine to show through. That would be perfect for farmhouse style. If I was to be placing these in my kitchen, I would leave them as is, or maybe even spray paint them with the whitewash color. But I want them in my living room, so I have more of the golds and a boho style going through my living room. So I wanted to go ahead and spray paint mine. So once you remove your balloon from all your orbs, go ahead and spray paint them the color of your choice. This is the color that I'll be spray painting them, which is a gold. And here I am showing you that after I went out to spray paint them, I thought maybe let me spray paint one a metallic silver. Once I did spray paint it silver, it wasn't really what I was going for, so I went ahead and just spray painted it gold. But here I am just showing you how it looks in silver, just in case you want to see that contrast or that different color and how this would look beautiful for Christmas, even if you're doing that silver theme for Christmas. And this is the way it looks different compared to the gold once I spray painted them all gold. And they dry pretty quickly, so you don't have to wait too long for them to dry. I would say at least a good hour and you're good to go. And then I just got some of these mothballs from Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack, and just kind of inserted them into my orbs. You can put anything you like in here. And then I just had some succulents and put in some succulents. Now you can see where it kind of still moves the orb. If that happens, just grab some hairspray, spray your orb, and then use a blow dryer to dry it up, and it'll firm up right away again. So here you go, a quick and easy, beautiful, high-end looking home decor piece. So what do you guys think, and how are you going to use yours? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. It'll truly help my channel grow. Until next time, you guys stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.